Today I'm going to teach you how to make a chameleon out of Legos. First you take these two pieces and these two pieces. You put them together like that. Then you're going to take this piece and put it on top of this one right there. And then this piece on top of this right here. Then you're going to take this piece, put it here, and another one here, like that. Then you're going to take this piece, put it there like that, and then attach this, like that. Then you're going to take this piece and this piece, and you're going to put them together like that, and put them on here like that. Then you're going to take this piece and these two pieces. You're going to put them together like this. And you're going to put them on here. Then you're going to take this piece, put it here, that. Then you're going to take two of these, one here and the other here, like that. Then you're going to take these two pieces and these two eyes, and you're going to put them together. No, make sure they're facing different directions. This is a chameleon after all. Then you're going to put them on your little Lego chameleon like this. Then you're going to take this piece right here. You're going to put it on top like that, with this piece here. Then you're going to take this piece, put it here, and another one here. And you're going to take two of these. One goes here, the other right next to it. Like that. Then you're going to give it little lizard spikes by taking this piece, and this piece. Like that. Then you're going to put this black piece right on here and attach that in the mouth like so. There, you made a little Lego chameleon. Well, that's all for today.